Hello guys and welcome to Master Android channel. My name is Abbas Masri and we are going to continue with the complete Android developer course. So in this lesson we will start with a new section called the data storage and data persistence. If you want to get the lessons written and everything and all tutorials, you can download the Master Android app from the Play Store in this form. And you click on Android course and we will start with the section number 5 called Storage and the Persistence. So welcome again and welcome to this section. So you can go to Play Store and download this application, Master Android and Master Android Pro. We have helped over 1 million person to learn Android from zero to hero. Now, section 5. Android provides over several options for you to save your data inside your app. So the solution you choose depending on your specific needs, such as how much space your data requires, what kind of data you need to store, and whether the data should be private of your app or accessible to other apps and by the user. So an overview. By the end of this chapter, we will have achieved the following. We will learn about shared preferences, SQLite databases, and Firebase. That's a lot to get through, so let's get started. But first, rate us 5 stars and subscribe to our channel to get the latest tutorials free with the source codes. We will start by the shared preferences. In this tutorial, we will use shared preferences in our Android application to store data in the form of key value pair. Shared preferences allows activities and application to keep preferences in the form of key value pairs, similar to a map that will persist even when the user closes the application. So Android stores shared preferences settings as XML file in the shared preferences folder under data application package directory. The data folder can be obtained by calling environment.getData directory method. Shared preferences is application specific. So, for example, the data is lost in performing one of the following options: on uninstalling the application, or on clearing the application data through settings. So, in this way, we lose the data in shared preferences. The usage. As the name suggests, the primary purpose of this to store user-specific configuration details such as user-specific settings, keeping the users logged into the applications. To get access to the preferences, we have 3 APIs to choose from. Get preferences method used from within your activity to access activity-specific preferences. Get shared preferences method used from within your activity or other application context to access application level preferences. And the third one, get default shared preferences method used on the preferences manager to get the shared preferences that works in the concert with Android's overall performance framework. And the modes. Now we will see everything clearly in Android Studio. So we are going to create an Android app that clarifies all of these concepts. Modes. In this tutorial, we will go with the get shared preferences method. The method is defined as follows: get shared preferences, string, preferences name, and integer modes as arguments. Preferences name is the name of the file, and the mode is the operating mode. What are the modes? Here we go. We have many modes: 4, Mode private, the default mode where the create file can only be accessed by calling the application. Mode word readable. Creating word readable files is very dangerous and likely to cause security holes in your application. Mode underscore word underscore writable. Creating word writable files is very dangerous and likely to cause security holes in the application. Modes multi-purpose. This method will check for modification of preferences even the SharedPreferences instance has already been loaded. Till now we will going to use the mode private. So the mode append, this will append the new preferences with already existing preferences. These are not very useful. And mode enable write ahead logging database open flag. When it is set, it would enable write ahead logging by default. Till now the most important thing we need to know that we are going to use the mode private. We are going to use the mode private, and the SharedPreferences have the string preference name and the int mode. So the preferences name is the name of the file and the mode is the operating mode. Initializing. In order to initialize, we need an editor. So we need an editor to edit and save the changes in the SharedPreferences. The following code can be used to get the SharedPreferences. SharedPreferences, and an instance of SharedPreferences and on object get application context dot get SharedPreferences. Here we go, the name of SharedPreferences and the mode. So 04 private mode, because it is number one, it is then mode number one, and it has the value int. As I said to you here, the int mode, the mode is integer value, and the string is the name of SharedPreferences. So we have created here the string as a name of the SharedPreferences and the int as the mode of private, the value of the private mode. Now SharedPreferences.Editor is, we are going to create an editor, instance of editor equal pref.edit method. In this way we are going to initialize our SharedPreferences. Now we will see how to store data. Don't worry, we will clarify everything in the next a couple of videos and minutes. So make sure you subscribe below to our YouTube channel and rate us 5 stars on Udemy and on our application Play Store, so you don't miss anything. Please hit like. You can help us your like will be helpful for us, and we will be motivated to create new videos and new lessons. So storing the data, editor.commit method is used in order to save the changes to SharedPreferences. Here we go. Storing the boolean true or false, editor.boolean.put boolean, the key name and the value. As I said to you, SharedPreferences is the key value storage method. Editor.put string, the key name and the value. Put int the key and the int value here, and put float key value. Editor put long key and long value. After you have used one of these methods or one or more, you need to put here and commit changes by editor.commit method. To write the values, call edit to get the SharedPreferences.Editor, add values with the method such as put boolean and put string, and commit the new values with commit method. Retrieving the data. In the same way, data can be retrieved from SharedPreferences by called getString as follows. preferences.getString, the key, and here the default value. Preferences, if you have to get the integer, we have preferences.getInt and the key and the default value -1, the float, the key and the default value, getting the long, key and the default value null, the key and default value of boolean. Now, deleting data, remove key underscore name is used to delete the particular value. Clear is used to remove all data. So editor.remove name will delete the key name. Editor.remove email will delete the key email. Editor.commit, you need always to commit the changes inside your editor by calling editor.commit. Even you are updating, even you are saving, even you are removing, you need to commit the changes. Clearing the data from shared preferences, editor.clear, editor.commit. Here we go. So what about making an app that stores user info inside shared preferences? But before start coding, we just need to remind that we spent tons of hours making these lessons. Be honest and do the following. Rate us our application on 5 stars. Play Master Android Pro on Play Store, and subscribe to our channel Android Master App, and so you don't miss anything. So the code, we are going to see this app live next minute inside our YouTube, inside our Android Studio. So don't miss the video, and we will learn how to create a real app that contains the following codes. If you want the source code, so you can download Master Android from the Play Store and they get all source codes. So we are going to create all of these codes and see how to receive, delete and update data in shared preferences. And the next lessons will be continue about SQLite and see how it works. Thank you guys. I hope you like, subscribe, comment below, and rate us 5 stars on Play Store. Thank you.